Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hillsborough, local, and long distance movers near me. We provide the best experienced long distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot easier. We assist you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,000 miles. The best moving services make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Along with the general long distance moving solutions, we also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company might seem unnecessary initially. A closer look at the benefits you get from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a smart choice. Any respectable moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. Minimizing the heavy lifting also offers an additional advantage you get from working with the right local movers. Our professional movers provide efficiency with every move. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 Movers since we simplify the whole entire move. Even though your move is large enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in less than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hillsborough moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.